Hi children, welcome back. Let's do the remaining questions on page number 35. Question number 4. Find the sum of all 3-digit numbers which are the multiples of 9. We have to find the sum of all 3-digit numbers which are the multiples of 9. Okay. Here, what is the first 3-digit number which is the multiple of 9? Yes, it is equal to 108 because we can divide 108 completely by using 9. So what is the next number? Yes, 108 plus 9 which is equal to 117. So what is the last 3-digit number which is the multiple of 9? Yes, 999. Next we have to find how many numbers in between 108 and 999. N is equal to last term minus first term divided by common difference plus 1. Here last term is 999 minus first term 108 divided by common difference 9 plus 1. So it is equal to 891 by 9 plus 1, which is equal to 99 plus 1 equal to 100. So there are 100 3-digit numbers which are the multiples of 9. Okay, next we have to take the sum of these 100 numbers. To find the sum, we can use the formula n by 2 into last term plus first term, which is equal to 100 by 2 into 999 plus first term 108. Okay, so it is equal to 50 into 1107, which is equal to 55,350. Okay, the sum of all the 3-digit numbers which are the multiples of 9 is 55,350. Next, question number 5. The expressions for the sum to n terms of some arithmetic sequences are given below. Find the expression for the nth term of each. Here, the algebraic expression for the sum to n terms of some arithmetic sequences are given. We have to find the sequence and their algebraic form. Okay, so the first sum is n square plus 2n. Okay, Sn is equal to n square plus 2n. We have to find the sequence and its algebraic form. Put n equal to 1. We get S1 equal to 1 square plus 2 into 1, which is equal to 1 plus 2, which is equal to 3. Okay, S1 is equal to first term, so first term is equal to 3. Then if n is equal to 2, then S2 means sum of first two terms. That means x1 plus x2. If n is equal to 2, then S2 becomes 2 square plus 2 into 2, which is equal to 4 plus 4. Okay, and it is equal to 8. Then x1 plus x2 equal to 8. Here x1 equal to 3, so 3 plus x2 is equal to 8. Therefore, x2 is equal to 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. Okay. Therefore, the arithmetic sequence is 3, 5, etc. Next, we have to find its algebraic form. For that, first we have to find common difference. Common difference is equal to 5 minus 3 equal to 2. Okay. Then we have to find its algebraic form. Algebraic form is xn is equal to f plus n minus 1 into d. That is 3 plus n minus 1 into 2, which is equal to 3 plus 2n minus 2. Okay, 2n minus 2, which is equal to 2n plus 3 minus 2, which is equal to 2n plus 1. Okay, so the algebraic form of the sequence is 2n plus 1. Next question, Sn is equal to n square minus 2n. First we have to put n equal to 1, then S1 equal to 1 square minus 2 into 1, which is equal to 1 minus 2 equal to minus 1. S1 equal to x1, so that first term is equal to minus 1. Put n equal to 2, S2 equal to 2 square minus 2 into 2, which is equal to 4 minus 4. Okay, 2 square is 4. So 4 minus 4, which is equal to 0. So x1 plus x2 is equal to 0. x1 equal to minus 1. So minus 1 plus x2 equal to 0. From this we get x2 equal to 1. Okay. Next we have to write the arithmetic sequence. The arithmetic sequence is minus 1, 1, etc. Okay. Next we have to find the common difference. Common difference is equal to 1 minus of minus 1. It becomes 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So the common difference of this arithmetic sequence is 2. Next we have to find its algebraic form. Okay, xn is equal to f plus n minus 1 into d, which is equal to minus 1 plus n minus 1 into 2. d is equal to 2. Okay, which is equal to minus 1 plus 2n minus 2, which is equal to 2n minus 1 minus 2, it is equal to 2n minus 3. Okay, so the algebraic form of the sequence is 2n minus 3. Children, here we discussed the first and third question. Do the remaining questions as homework. Thank you.